I can't imagine what will happen in the Asante Kotoko. So imagine, and you play Kumasi Asante Kotoko, you support Kotoko. So imagine when Kotoko is playing against us in the house. But when you lose, you cannot go to the house.
No. Anytime it comes back to me when I was playing.
Yeah.
I remember one day in Germany now.
Okay, coach. You took over Kumasi Asante Kotoko. You were confirmed as the technical director, but when it came looking at your works, the IMC decided no, Coach Karim Zito should continue as a coach. How do you take it? Their first match they played against Kotoko, they lost by 4-1. That is your own son was there. But since you took over, you not lost the match against Kumasi and Kotoko. Now here, it was only himself. You came here to break that game, and today we are here. What should you expect from Kotoko? Still winning. Coach, how is your Kotoko is winning against Mission FC?
I came all
So coach, when you took over, what has really changed? That
luckily
the golden can amass the 61 points in solution part of the game. Yeah, you win, you lose, or you draw. Coach, you believe it can happen
until
the final 90 minutes, the whistle is done. Contention, fake up. Karim Zito. And my last interview with him, I told you that he said Kumasi Asante Kotoko, he has done what he's supposed to do. And you know, what they are now interested is the MTN FA Cup. Maestro, we heard from the two coaches. Yatuomina, Seliomoka.
Coach Nidia won't say a game no be your visa, but the definition of Nipa Oyade. And this is the last game, match day 34. Yenche table next Yenche two coaches no more than previously, and home team version FC so far after match day 33 no you will say Otoso 11 take it at 42 points and Emun we win 10 I draw 12 Lusu 11 and or a newly side Ghana Premier League Otoso 11 I will say a good call for newly promoted side Waba, but the issue is say Eban version FC Ebo Fia 16 games are born.
Lose one.
That is against Dreams FC.
And he was the coach when he came here to win.
Wow. It's a big game by our standard. Kumasi Asante Kotoko, we are Nyaman Shedan Koye. So far, we winning just 3 games. Tima, Yenimse, Yaka Kotoko, Nimodi Mon was Rono. We winning just 3 games away. But mind you, say, Kumasi Asante Kotoko, actually the same Vision FC, Babaya Sports Stadium, actually 4-1. Now, and no yet different coach. Coach Ninio, your new coach,
and he said that coach is my son. That is what Karim Zito is saying.
Say Prosper Gumneti,
yeah.
Wow. And Sepapane, any Nana Kwajima Nebeshia. Say Nebana Bua, that means
Papa, yeah.
But I have say, I am Vision FC home.
Okay.
All record. Tactically, wow, the Anibet show say, oh, yeah, tactically good no. And a better Vision, our record, our fee. Kumasi Asante Kotoko, Aboneda with newly coach Awaba. So far, we have been in 7th game at Obo.
I don't lose you.
Yeah. I draw 2 into coach Karim Zito. Modern Bono was through. But until say 90 minutes in the best no, you should see.
Krobia, Coach Karim Zito, Menena Najiman, Coach Ekasano Kan Sembebri, he's my uncle, he's my big brother. I respect him a lot. When it comes tactically, he's very, very good. But I know football. Papa 70 Mamo, tactics no, and a system no, and about these two coaches. He's the same person who came here to break the chains of Air Vision FC. So this afternoon, what are you expecting from the two coaches?
Yeah, good game. Yeah, both coaches would expect them to put up a system for their players to showcase some beautiful football action here. And I think it's one of the motive and again, these are two technically good coaches. Nana Kweku Ajiman, look, one of the very best of young coaches we have in the country, and one of the most important and most experienced coaches in the country is Karim Abdul Zito. And now, we are all hoping that the game will live up to expectation. The game will live up to the billing. Supporters who are all around here would enjoy the game. But Kotoko, I don't know whether they are aiming at winning the Ghana Premier League. I don't know how they value this because their chances are minimal by way of winning the Ghana Premier League, of which Vision FC, they are also not fighting for anything. They've already escaped relegation and they only need this point to maybe put them up or something like that. So it is a game that both teams are not making any good use of this particular match. But I think Kotoko, this is football. Anything could happen anyway. And I think they will be eyeing the game that will transpire between BBN Gold Stars, Accra Lions, same as Nations FC and Timo Ayefreno. And
Okay, I'll be coming to you guys. You're going to choose your best goalkeeper so far, your best defender, your best midfielder, your best striker so far. But let me go quickly to the guys who will be doing battle for the two teams this afternoon here at the new Okreku Sports Stadium for Kumase Krobia, Asante Kotoko. I have Mohamed Kamara, Samba Ona, Yumano Anchi, Saka Dauda, Henry Kwame Ansu, Patrick Asiedu, Abed Amwa, Joseph Ablo, Lord Amwa, Andrew Sintimanu, then Aqua Peter. Then for Vision FC, we have Godwin Ametefe, Edward Ajiman, Godfred Boache, Daniel Yemo, Yimano Atafrimpon, Yimano Cheba for Ali Muhammad, Yimano Sanja, Ajiman Isaac Opoku, Meshak Sowa Ajete, then Lord Kuzinya. Now let's come. Your best goalkeeper so far in the league, Krobia.
Well, Emmanuel Kobe.
Emmanuel Kobe.
Stars, yeah.
Okay, Mestro, your best goalkeeper.
It's between two goalkeepers, Emmanuel Kobe and Benjamin Asari. But
Kobe and Benjamin Asari. No.
Matchday 34.
Your best defender.
Best defender, Samba O'Neal.
Samba O'Neal, your best defender.
Razak Simpson.
Razak Simpson, yeah. Your best midfielder.
Wow. I'll go for Intimenu.
Intimenu, your best midfielder.
Wow. Ismail Ado.
Ismail Ado, your best striker.
Faisal Chawate.
Chawate, your best striker.
Kwame Poku.
Kwame Poku. So we have diverse issues here.
So Asante Kotoko. Mohamed Kamara is a goalkeeper. Bongani Samba, captain. Emmanuel Anchi, Saka Dauda, Henry Kwame Ansu, Patrick Asiedu, Albert Amwa, Joseph Ablo, Lord Amwa, Andrews Intin Mary, and Amidu Peter Apa. So very soon the players will be on the pitch. And the center referee is Atiapa Alfonso. Assistant line 1, Ali Timuaba, line 2, Alasan Halilu, fourth official, Amidu Ibrahim, match commissioner, Michael Dazi Atta. So thank you so much. Enjoy the game. We'll still come your way.
Etiba ni Krakuda Second Sports Complex, Hana 2024-2025 Ghana Premier League. Here the live coverage at the Pramo Alpha Production at Daroma, and the live coverage at the Pramo Shannon. So we are the chatwo 2024-2025 Ghana Premier League. Where the chatwo the live coverage at the Pramo right from week 1, and the coverage at the Pramo. Ewa chichini benche ene ayedi chatwo opa ni Krakuda Second Sports Complex aha ana Kumasi Asante Kotoko a travel at Abakupa Mesomone Vision FC ɛna ɛte bɔne ɛnɛ agopaman so ɛwɔ agopaman so Kumasi Asante Kotoko wei ɛyɛ almost 17th away game and the Premier League hyɛ so Kotoko modimo ɛwɔ away and Shedan Koye ɔmo winning just 3 away matches and ɔmo winning ɔmo alusu 7 matches ɔmo abɔ mmɔden a na kyerɛ sɛ ɛnneɛma ɛnkɔyɛ mfa mɔm ɛwɔ away sounds so on a new promoter side Vision FC we are almost 17th home game in the Premier League. Oma winning 8 matches. Oma draw 7. Oma lusu ba kope 19 goals and Oma share. Oma concede 10 goals. Oma winning 31 points out of 48 points. And say ewo efie. The only team Oma put 2 breaks on Vision FC. Na aye Dreams Football Club and Obo Modena. Na chese Omo bo Modena na week 11 omo ba akopa maso be so omo ekaba ko a omo anchimi anti na omo ye unbeaten and they allow 10 home match omo abon ewo akopa maso ye hwe baby a Susan de Brother Roberto Metro TV live on commentator no akopa maso na fia west at 58 points after 33 matches omo winning 16 matches omo draw 10 lose 7 matches and so 2 teams on and epa akopa maso na said ye ni Kotoko after ne red Jason kama na fame Vision FC so ashe omo traditional Jason omo share enso epra omo ebo ofie enso awa agopa man so supporters no enso aba and their numbers omo be support omo team no mo ahwema bibia enso akoso kama eti amama branch fan Ali nani abre obo mpae Ali Mohammed we an 13th game this season at the Matima ni den and Vision as a former player of the Accra Lions wabodi ama Tamale City wabodi ama Ashanti Gold and the Ojamo Adiama Vision Football Club and the match at also edu makomako emiensa Kotoko players no and I shall say Echiacha Vision FC right no and so ahonafi anchebia na yete live coverage no the match and so we asa a chatwo okobro from the last dance what I say and the live coverage no at the Abramo and so agopa so enchebia na center referee Afonso Atiapa and then empire for Ashe game na say ediamai and so agopa so na bipia and so akoy kamakashan so Vision as in the first home game well boy agopa so 7 September 2024 Yako Vision FC goal attack from Emmanuel Cheibafo Ali Mohammed Emmanuel Senior Ajman Isaac Opoko Mishak Soa Ajetim na Lord Kuzinya we in a place also commanded the starting lineup at the Ama Vision FC Football Club na omo ahwese bibia betimakoyi and so at the Amomo home na Yako Kumasi Asante Kotoko na as usual goalkeeper Mohammed Kamara ene obetemu eti ama Kotoko we aye the 19th game or demo eti ama Kumasi Asante Kotoko this season ebra Frederick Asare other 15 times and a Branton Ijene Mohamed Kamara and so at 18 times away and in 19th game or demo eti ama Bobo Kwa FN Kotoko ene a Branton FN Gilbani O'Neil Ndongani Samba ene captain Oliti Kumasi Asante Kotoko ne awie ewa akopama so Emmanuel entry ejamo Dauda Saka ejamo Patrick Asiedu Albert Amoa Joseph Abla Lord Amoa a branch of Andrews Inti Manuna Fe Peter Amidu Aqua when he plays almost shasi at the Ama Kumasi Asante Entebia Center Referee Afonso Atiapa Beshana Benafe Yadigeno Asheso Maestro Ewa Maestro Bibia Bokode
Justice
we aside a chat to the last dance of the 2024-2025 Ghana Premier League.
Justice Coley, very, very, very good game by all standard and we a match day 34 of the Ghana Premier League. You shall see match day 31. Yabwa bedru 33 and ye nasinka nyame say ya femwa abepem ene and ena kwaye that's wrong because this is the Ghana Premier League. Yenya team inside so yenya so far 2 teams are current relegation nemu akaba akon obeka previously na match day 34 the yenya teams current relegation and this is another wonderful day you bet menya 1 team and so akan wa muso ekopiem relegation and then we piem ase ase na wodi kan ekan ye no Kumasi Asante Kotoko hwe nim so benya win ewo ase na afa ni ba akon akohwe Gold Stars ene Accra Lions game no ni pa obebo ane say Accra Lions beat me win this game no and eba ne say esi pan there na nations so elusu that means say officially ebe crown ne Kumasi Asante Kotoko so no and age Ghana Premier League no e dey see ne so and Vision FC bo home we in the last home game ono so bo hwe fans abi piem ha say ya it tells you say e was a Vision bibi ma fans no mun say yes omo ye newly promoted side omo aba name no omo nim enwu ase line 11th on the league log no omo modern no e was so pa ye fan say ye trim say Vision say obo home ha say no apart from Dreams FC pa obeshe no 1-0 no we win 8 e wa ha say and our draw 7 nyama ko ye e de man Kumasi Asante Kotoko away record and also enye we win yes 3 games and unti chance call there media me won say game yi e be big game ye hwe enim first half de betimi e de goal atwatenim
Santa Rofi Afonso Atia Power Shana by at the game no Ashisha so our ni Krakow the second sports complex 2024-2025 Ghana Premier League week 34 where at the final game Jebo decision at the Premier League. The first time Vision FC ebo omo match di kan ewa Copa Maiso in the Premier League. Na ebe bra mo ane Brekun Chelsea about 0-0 7 September 2024. About Mutrafi and Brekun Chelsea about 0-0. We are 17th home game on Mopoa Copa Maiso. Omalu Suba Cope. Pono Ekra Vision FC Mranteno. A pint of Daniel Yemo. Jemo no Crabon, where Jabon they are confirming. A Saba Betty and Finfree, a branch and intended Godfred Watch it. Where Germany are Coben Conso, a bonnet 10 Bonachim. A chance for Vision, a bonnet 10 that Cheta Boxonum. A Pimbo Nasurabi. Hopiano. Vision has to about short to Nasurabi. Emmanuel Cheiba for Wababo not to Akoni. A go kicker caught Yama. Go kicker caught Yama. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Nana Kokwajiman. Coach Edma Vision FC. Then you have Bruta. Emmanuel Cheiba for way and the 28th game this season. What's a 4 goals? A branch and it Emmanuel Senior. When you fake Katiama Vision FC. Fake Katiama Vision Football Club. Vision FC Sanonso. They are unbeaten in their last 10 home matches. Ojabo on the Bonako, Deuda, Opiabo on the Bonako, Joseph Abla, and the Crabono. Ojabo on the Bonako, Kumasi Asante Kotoko, Bona Chimanko, Peter Amedu Akwa, Shima Milun terminated 2 minutes. Opian Chimi Faba Antonio Cotton, Kotoko, Nanso Debi, Parson and Timanko, Ababeti, Emmanuel Jabo and the Bonakwachi, back to Emmanuel and Tima Faba called Dauda Saka, Nanso Santa Rafi. Watch your free kick. Free kick called Yama. Vision FC coach Karum Zito will take over Kotoko. Enyama Ekoye Edema Fabulous. Capito Emmanuel Cheba for beautiful 10 and watching back on Piambo on the Bona Quatri. Vision FC Mrantene Crabono. Wejabo on the Aquacoma Goffred Watchi. Wejabonum Vision FC Ali Mohammed. Wejamo Ediabona Kobin Kunsudia Koma Goffred Jamu Edia Confirming. Vision FC Mranteno ne Crabono. Abona Chenchen de Bona Kakoma. Emmanuel Senior and the Crabo Emmanuel Abona Tente that Cheta Boxnum. Bonanam go for a chance. Not should I be goal kick. Goal kicker called Diama Fabulous.
Justice Coley, so far 5 minutes of gameplay ayabono. Oshe vision wa omo airboa omusa eda Kumasi Asante Kotoko so kakra. Earlier on, Jehu Cheiba for chance unyaya or balloon bono. And this is the second time Aba. Kumasi Asante Kotoko will be I think say in Finfini Hodomono. Says here a monk nimba. I think say Finfini Hodomono. Problem be our Hodom. Coach Karim Zito and so bet my be found.
Simama Kumakon and 9 time near 4 minutes ago. I will find Tikai. I will need a second sports complex. Cheba for 8 year box on them. Cheba for 1 10 chance. Now should I be? Should be Vision FC amount to pressure upon pressure. So Vision FC run 10 crab on. One more pass. Bono crab Vision. Which I on the Bona Quatchery. Bona Quackery Goffred watch it. Beautiful play back to Goffred. Goffred a control Bono. Goffred beautiful turning. Which I on the Bona Cobin Kunso. Daniel Yemo. Yemo ne Crabono. Daniel beautiful turning. Watiashi free kick. Free kick Etia. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Henry Kwame Ansu. Henry Kwame Ansu. Free kick called Yama. Vision of Buenas will be annual.
Just call it wash boy vision ball and it tells you me the kanka as me say aha I need a J Kreku the second sports complex and Oshe games awabo has saying in 16 games no we lose back we win 8 I draw 7 and until ban ha you vision and against Accra to folk and not obo game anymore and you say who be vision any Kumasi Asante Kotoko so far on inside Eda Kumasi Asante Kotoko for so
Vision FC for any happy with Chabo on the Bona Quatchery. Bona Babeti. Beautiful play from Mishaka Jete. With Chabo on the Akoben Kum. Vision FC Daniel Jemo. Jema Tonobossi. With Jemo the Bona Quatchery. Bona Babeti. Mishak. Bonnet 10 the check corner for Cheba for now should I be corner kicker called Diama Vision Football Club. Corner kick called Diama Vision Football Club. Live coverage for 2024-2025 Ghana Premier League. Corner kick. Elvis. A branch FN. Emmanuel Cheiba for the Jambonechi. Elvis Wabone Tentini Bonachim now should be. Peter Mudu. Peter Midu. Baklebon everywhere. Bonda Sukra. Che. A chance. Goalkeeper na Pimbonaba. Another chance. Now should be. Kumasi Asante Kotoko Mantana Club lines in Tentem. Pressure upon pressure. Ojabo on Bona Babeti. Emmanuel Senior. Wejamo. Bonnie Chencheni Bona Kwakoma. Emmanuel Taffin Point. Now should be. Emmanuel Taffin Point Timanko. Throwing a barber to the tier. Vision FC. Patrick Asiedu. Watuba on the Aquacoma. Joseph Abloa. Peter Midu Wabone 10-10-10. Adibona Chenanso Piano. Ali Mohammed, safety first. Waklebon F1 10-10. Throw in a call, Tiama Fabulous. Vision FC. Are creating all the chances.
Yeah, Justice Coley, vision creative chances. No, Nemono say or the ball beto at nemu eno na akoye mo problem and ye sha say fiti first minute pim 10th minute amene e kasa no mo anenya the clear chances say was say at least o man shekra nka 2 goals here or so mo she nemo no say ball no e drew final third on mani po be ka tum no eno e na akoye problem a say nana kwekwa jiman ene ne vision person mo win the last game e ma fans na dia I think say o mo po bi obehye goals
Bono Ekra Vision FC were Germany akoma ni goalkeeper Godwin Ajabo on the akoma Abrantia ni dene Lord Lola Jadi Abuko Benkum Vision FC Porentenchen Berua Etia box on mana passing and Timanko Dawuda Saka Jabo no Edibona akoma Anchi Jemu de akoma Peter Amidu akwa nanso da bi Walusu Bono Emmanuel Senya we Jemu de akoma Mishak Ajete nanso da bi Yama Mishak kwa mananko free kick caught Yama Vision Tentem Senya pia de akoma the defender back to Emmanuel Senya ne krabo we Jemu de akoma Mishak Ajete we Jemu de akom free passion and Timanko Kumasi Asante Kotoko Nante ne krabo no nanso Yama Peter Amidu akwa kwa mananko Vision FC Aprante Bako Elder from Simama Kumako Etun 10 minutes our friend Dikain Kumasi Asante Kotoko Shebi Vision FC and Timin Shebi Namo Vision had dominated game no accurate other chances now so Timin Fabo and Twatana
that's called a body the obetima boni na nemu no say o bona won shego no eno in the Ghana Premier League and Association football no encounter bobo no na she eno na ubenya 3 points no at the end of the day no omienu nyina obi a fight for the 3 points o bona won sha it doesn't say anything in the game
11 minutes Simama kuma ko tuba ko eko Hopian Timmy Fabo on Tony Yokotra live coverage of the 2024-2025 Ghana Premier League. Goalkeeper Godwin Wapian Tentem. Bono Ekra Godfred Wache Wetima Fabo Nanko Kumasi Asante Kotoko Abet beautiful pass now so there be Abetamo pass and Timanko Wejemo Imano down so there be Imano Cheba for Timanu and Tem 2 in a court Yama Vision FC Kotoko Branteba Koeda form Simama Kumakwe Dumio 10-12 minutes Ewe Fe Dika still Obian Timmy Fabo Antonio Yonkotuna 2024-2025 Ghana Premier League Week 34 where your match say Chatua yeah this season in Ebanaji Kumasi Asante Kotoko winning just 3 away matches Ewo Premier League Week 1 Omo Pomoten Eko Chikarala Epomo Kaba Komo Intimante Week 2 of Omo Kotoma in Kro Kucha Diana by 2-0 Nafi last away win Sakai na week 14 Hebramo Kochi Dreams Ebomo 2-1 Ewo Tuba Ewo Kaswa Kobomo 2-1 21st December 2024 and on the last game at Kotoko Enya away win since then Kotoko a winning away game there.
Yeah, but Justice Colley, after say Coach Karim Zito Eba, I think say Kotoko already them not have back. So far we in the 7th game or bo. We winning 4 and we draw 2 on Lusu be we can one Ogusu a draw the anache say we a 3rd draw, which means a good call as coach for our team more after no team no. And just Colley Ghana for you say Oko dance parker. The Bieni Gold Stars are leading Accra Lions by a goal to 0. and unti league ne de mo ayede say na me kan me say this season say ye determine nipo obeji Ghana Premier League on the final day. No, I think say a good call.
Territory in the Atodia Tia. Toya Todia Tia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Live coverage. Alpha Production at Taroma Yate Efri. Neo Krakuda Second Sports Complex. Live on Original TV and Metro TV. A chance. Now should that be? Corner kick called Tiama Vision FC. Goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara. On it. Nemrantene Kasone Lord Amwa Ekasa. 15 minutes gone. Sima Edunum Echo. Live coverage any other promo. Emmanuel Che Bafo ne Jabonechi ne 28th game this season. Atima Vision FC. Che Bafo ne Jabonechi. 15 minutes gone. Still Opian Timmy Fabo Antonio Cotton. Bonnet 10 more chance to be. Kotoko Mantena Pimbonefu, Ababedi, Cheiba for Masambon Tintia Cheta Boxing now should be.
Wow.
A goal kick.
Just call it pressure upon pressure. And in an echo Edama Vision FC. But Sisi Adonipo Besheno and one are still the only problem. Kumasa Asante Kotoko and can we say we akwa bibi to say getting result next week or FA Cup ebo and to say Eban say or pile pressure at the Tunisia say ya a bit me affecting no I want the game next week or body.
Corner kick called Yama Vision. Emmanuel Atafrim point bonnet 10 bona chim now should I be. Asante Kotoko Mantena Pimbonefu. Ojabon Bona Kwakoti. Branch FL Lord, a gem their command goalkeeper. Godwin the Bona Kobin Kunso. Godfred watching a crabono. Opiamo the Abon Fifi. Daniel Yemo. Bonnet 10 Emmanuel Senya. Beautiful pass. But the Bona Kwakoma Emmanuel Taffin Point. Gem their command Emmanuel. Now should I be beautiful clearance. Patrick Asiedu. One clear ball in there through. Throw in a Cordiama Vision. Patrick, we're in the 31st game. Beautiful play. Emmanuel Senya. Emmanuel was on the ball side. Throw in. 17 minutes. Our fan Eddie Kain. Selo Piantimi Fabo Antonio Young Kotuna. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Apeke just 17 points out of 48 points away. Almost 11 goals are conceded, 15 away goals in the Premier League. Almost winning just 3 matches. I draw 8, I lose 5 matches away. Two in a Kodiama Kotoko. Patrick Atubon 10. Edibona Chim Naso. Vishi Mantena Klebon a few. Center referee Afonso Atiapa Waji. Free kick. Free kick called Diama. Kumasi Asante Kotoko Patrick Asiedu. Way. When the match Tosu Eduasa Eba con 31st appearance. Was 2 goals. Was Legon City now for Adriana Football Club. Spending 3 seasons with Birkum Chelsea. Throw in a Kotiama Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Patrick Asiedu. Wakontu Bono. Ediama Kotoko. Bonnet 10 Bona Chim. Edia Koma. Peter Amidu. Amchi. Nanso passing and Timanko. Daniel Yemo. Nanso free kick for Daniel. Daniel Yemo. Ne 24th. Appearance this season was 4 goals. And Ediama Vision Football Club. And then the match at Tosu Juno and 9. Edema Vision Football Club. Or Shetia Mediama Shama Tesobo 2 goals now against Basket Holy Stars. And so Obo go back. Jab on the Bona Quachuri. Vision FC Manteno swinging their passes together. With Jamu their Quachuri. Ojabo on the bona kwakoma Mishak Ajeti. That was center circle. Mishak, lovely play. Ojamo di akwakoma Emmanuel Ata Frempong de Akobin Kunso. Ata Frempong Timanko. Kotoko Montana take over. Abet Yamana Kwamananko. Vision FC about short now should there be. A goal kick. A Branty Anitine. Emmanuel Senya Nebobono. The 23rd appearance this season at Etima Vision Football Club. A Branty Anitine, Lord. And a ball shot on an answer, border number Bikra.
Just call it, I think, a good drive, but lacking accuracy. And Senka Bono ASF Apuma, send a bouncy with Nimono, Inka a bet me at the results be Abre Version FC. But Yemfa we so and to just say now, Oko Abrankesia, Nations FC at a former Kabakwa on to me and Nyama Ekoye Ediama, the Bieni Gold Stars, because some lead here Kabakwa, Accra Lions into me NTA. This where Kumasi Asante Kotoko, Epese Abia, or also second, and now say, Bibia Betimiesi, who win the game on Ghana Premier League, no, or GDR. From the first 20 minutes, I don't see Kumasi Asante Kotoko, me who determination, me who passion, be a boys, no, a ball game. So far, Nana Kwajima, Innovation FC Mrateno, Kole, Omabo Mohomodimpa.
Shima Adunu. Heba Kuntame 21 minutes. Vision Timmy Shebi Sanso Ena. Kumasi Asante Kotoko Sun Timmy Shebi. Live on original TV. Kotoko en Sakrae. Justice Play. Wababe Apprentice Joseph Ablo Edina Film. Joseph Ablo one Timanto again so Justice Blay Abeshana 9 Ewo Kumasi Asante Kotoko Justice Blay Waba game num Ebobo Etiama Fabulous 21 minutes Chima Junu ba kontemi Kumasi Asante Kotoko Entimi Shebi Sanso Ena Vision FC Entimi Shebi Justice Blay way Bennett match Tosu Aduno Enson 27 for appearance this season was 3 goals and Ediama Kumasi Asante Kotoko in the Premier League was Shetia Pando out of Lions Samson was She Editia Kerala United Ebra Kotoko Tunafeche Kerala Bomwe Kabako on the share na fe Kotoko week 15 Ebra Moche Bibiani Gold Stars Ebomo 2-0 on the 20 kind of a branch of Kwame Puku Edeba Kokahon Edema Fabulous Justice Blay Wabamu the 27th game scoring 3 goals Edema Kumasi Asante Kotoko.
Just call it Oshe coach the Dinyadi Karim Zito. Changes are why tactically I would say it's a very good change because Kotoko in Finfini on Nanyama and Koyo and answerable in Finfini on not pressure echo defenders so 3 back na coach ni ball na M1 this time Henry Abetri ama on a Samba Oni on nebe ball not Justice Blay abone 6 no Senebeya in team menu and Emmanuel Lentry betimenya room for Seombe operate and I think say on Wabano the experience or the caliber of play no Ebeboa ama Kumasi Asante Kotoko in Finfini on Makleke.
Kumasi Asante Kotoko Sol Omuntimin to Atana Sanso Ena Vision FC Suntimin to Atana live coverage of the 2024-2025 Ghana Premier League. A chance for Vision after the Asante Laiwan Nefrankan Ehim Baba. Ojebo ni bona kwa koma. Andrews Intimanu. Deuda. Wejemu dia kwa koma Antwi. Emmanuel Antwi. Patrick Casio control bon. Patrick and a crab on Patrick Achimi no bon. Patrick Wejebo on Abet. Now should I be Yama Bet Kwama and controlling. Throwing. Throwing a Kotiama Fabulous 2024-2025 Ghana Premier League week 34 and the live coverage at the Finio Krakuda Second Sports Complex. Shete Pramo. The Pocopan Warriors Kumasi Asante Kotoko Shebi. Sansu Anavi Asante Kotoko Trophy Babaya Rago Pamaso. A dismantle Vision FC by 4 goals. Amamuti Mubako. Kwame Pokubo 2 goals. Samsona Amiduakwa Eboba Konafi. A branch of Deuda Saka. A chance. Now should I be Kete Vision FC. Kumasi Asante Kotoko nyo mutredim. Enya Sanka di Enebeyomo. Bono Kra Justice Bele. Center referee Afonso Atiapa. Washena Ben. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. So Betimania Omunkuni dia Tosona Ewa way. A branch of Fanny Samba or Contubono. Dongani Samba. Why instrumental Diama Kotoko. Way and Mancha Toso Ediasa. Edima Kumasi Asante Kotoko. 2023-24 no ball Edima Burkina Faso Timai Fene Rahimo Football Club. 28 matches or say 1 goal. And Edima Rahimo Football Club Ewo Burkina Faso. Oba Kotoko Wabo Chuma Bruta 29 matches we and the match Toso Ediasa. And the captain's band and ono. And a team Nisa Edima Fabulous Kumasi Asante Kotoko.
Just call it, I think Samba O'Neill, captain and the Obono. I think from the first day about Kumasi Asante Kotoko playing against a crowd of folk, he only exploit boy or boy and always run start commanding defenders. And I think or that leader coach no enya gidi onimo e betimi abo enuntina or the captain's amano. Now Oshe Kotoko set up na boys in the mention that sa game na ekosu ni nyina no so far make I say 29 minutes ayabo ni nyina no. It's all about Vision FC. Vision pile pressure no but nebo mu send ye be omde ball no beto atena no enaka omdu final third on mo ho promo anu chombo ball na ball na say but say eba ne say na ebetumi enya goal first goal or first time mu o chances upon chances omanya inka by this time Inka Vision ashe be 2 goals just call it enyama one name no esan some do final third anyama eye dem omunti still 30 minutes of gameplay no 0-0.
Water is life. A man channel called water break economy so coach Kwekwajaman on the man tene kasa I will touch light. And no more kasa say Kumasi Asante Kotoko yetima wonya ni fia was say oyiro ho.
on the continent. But I think that one was what transpired.
Emmanuel Atafempon. A branch of any senior mum. When you free kick at the Vision Football Club. 7 September 2024. No, and a die decaya Vision FC Ebuamu first Premier League game. I would near Nigeria Krakow the second sports complex. Epramo and a Bekum Chelsea about 0-0 a wago pamaiso. Bonabediche, beautiful play. Vision FC Betima Conan Sudebi. Shaman Kwamananko. Samba control on their command goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara. Kamara Jemu. Sol Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Nantene Krabono. Vision Bonababedi Emmanuel passing a ball Timanko. Free kick Eko Ejama. Vision Football Club. Afonso Atiapa Waju free kick Ejama. Emmanuel Senya. A pranchari tene Rastaman Emmanuel Entry and a copimino. Meshak Nekrabono. Meshak. Obetima Kodbona Kobin Kunse chance for Vision FC. Now should there be a corner kick? Corner kick call Odiama Vision Football Club. $19 goals. Our Kupama so consider 10. Corner kick. Emmanuel Cheiba for Capito. Wama short pass. Wajabon wabone 10 now should be. Justice Billy. Wapimbo no de fuel. I bet bit Makwana. Deuda Saka. A nice ball. A chance. Now should be. He was totally beaten. Deuda Saka na ya chimani na no de ma beta moa. We na far boss na goalkeeper nda ba bi kra. Nanso Asatan line 2. Nane Frankan him ba. Bona Babedi Vision Nantene Krabono. 34 minutes gone. Offside Etia Vision Football Club. Look at that again.
Justice Coley, very, very decisive incident. NAC, and baby, I mean, I saw say Onyanye, but I stand like two. It wouldn't clearer. Me, baby, I mean, so if I say offside, you can tell me say a beboa, but you try defensive setup now. Vision FC 19. I think say boys in the air break. Infinity go too much. Eja defenders no way tree. Ama gap abeto infinity no inti. Eban say Kumasa Asante Kotoko infinity nya ball na omunya room. Say omde ball ne be kweni.
35 minutes. Shima Diasa Enum near Krakow the second sports complex. And at the live coverage of the 2024-2025 Ghana Premier League. Patrick Asiru, Piabo de Bona Kumfin Akoma in team. Andrews in team Manu. Passing in team Anko. Throwing. Referee Afonso Atiapa wajife kick mom and Atiama. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Akesima Edu Yam Fabian Kanwana Feferi Kane Banavier. Look at that one again. Live on Original TV, Metro TV.
Now, just call it watch your line and from this point of view, no. Yen be a defender, Nijina Lord, Ejina, and Albert Samuel be a now free airbano. I think, sir, I sound like two in your decision wrong because yeah, this deep line in the make here. I don't think, sir, Sabo we na offside.
Assistant line 2. Or say Bono offside. Urianitene Badiana Al Hassan Halilu. On an assistant line 2. A chance, hey go! Hey go! Kotoko. How much watching Erica Emmanuel Anchi? Emmanuel Amchi, Rastaman, the 25th game this season. Way and the second goal in the season. Ultima Kumasi Asante Kotoko. 2023-2025. Nobody more Great Olympics. 2022-2023. Nobody more Olympics. After 2 seasons with Olympics, and now Johnny Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Way and his second goal this season. Adima Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Emmanuel Anchi. What 20 kind. Vision FC 0. Kumasi Asante Kotoko 1.
Justice Kwale, game na air course na make a bit say vision. And you sue on chances na. Na Tracy Bibi, a Danny dia game ni behu, and Ushe baby Justice Blade Peja ball na. Born a buy and he had a ball in 50 no. Not your vision player be our and they gave room to entry. Our control bonus our ball power, a deflecting ball. I think it's a very, very good goal from Kumasi Asante Kotoko and Emmanuel.
Another chance for Kotoko now should be. Vision FC Manchane Crabono. German Kwamananko. Throwing a court Yama Vision Football Club. "39 minutes. Simama Kumako Adriasa Enkron. 39 minutes. Kotoko LED. Akaba Kumana Lanchi. Vision FC a chance. Now should there be goalkeeper. Mohamed Kamara, no problem at all. Mohamed Kamara. Watch it on so. Hotel Kupamanaso. Odenisa Asoniti. Mohamed Kamara. The 19th appearance takes us in the Premier League. What a fabulous goal from Abrantianitene Emmanuel Anchi, former player Democrat Get Olympics. Donkani Samba. Pastor Antimanko goalkeeper Godwin. Godwin way INA. Third game this season at Dema Vision. 2 games in Yafe and one consider 1 goal. Against Karela, Okipu clean sheet. Against Young Apostles, Okipu clean sheets. But then Emmanuel Anchi, another first player, or the body up to a branch of Godwin Atunum. Branch Anitene, Abet Amoa, and a Crabono. 24 matches, 12 goals. and Washadiama Kotoko. We and the match at Toso. A Dunu Enum. Throw in a Kodiama Fabulous. Patrick Casiedu. Patrick Casiedu. Patrick Kotoboni Tente. Back to Patrick. Vision Lantana Club on a friend Timanko. Justice Blay. Justice Wapiaba on the Akoma Andrews in Timanu. And Timanu and Ukrabono. Now so when Timanko threw in.
Just call Oshe go ya baya. Say you will be blaming Vision FC players now was say omo blame you. Now, yenche defensive setup on them. Yenche midfielders say omo jack gap. It is too much Asante Kotoko boys no. And clearly the buy an extra dynamic no. And after say Emmanuel entry a control ball no within the chest no. A back for no. I feel na Vision players na ebane so. And no boy in a deflection. They be a bit messy. And I know. And they go ne buy no more chances upon chances upon chances. Ne moment say drew final third nipa obeka ball na atu no. And na koye problem omo tra honom amakumase Asante Kotoko ashe first goal. Now Kotoko washe goal no wasa aboa no we ebe building the confidence boys ni nya ball no metima ball no clearly because they are fighting for title no.
Yet here Freddy Kanina Epanachie live coverage of the 2024-2025 Ghana Premier League, Week 34. Goalkeeper. Kumasi Asante Kotoko Mantene Crabo, Justice Belay. Wajabo on the bond Pono, Ekra, Peter, Aqua Amidu ne Crabono. What's the actual referee and to again so? Vision FC Mantene Crabono. Yacha Jamo Naso Santa Rafi Afonso Atiapa. Watch your free kick. 43 minutes gone. Live coverage of Merini calling Sajay from a Justice Kanina Ebanajie. Vision FC Mantene Crabono. Vision Wachabo on the Bona Quatri November no Omola 10 Hosina de Bonaco Abetamwa or the Bona Quatri Emmanuel Taffenpon Wajadi Akoma Mishak Vision FC Mantene Crabotre Ewo center circle Kotoko Brantiabako Edako Pamanoso Kumasi Asante Kotoko Dex season Omo winning Z3 away games. Omo draw 8 matches. Fikeke Kotiama Fabulous. Cup a branch FN Samba 45 and also 4 minutes and a 4th official. Urianitene Amatu Ibrahim Ediatoso. Akasima 9. Na yete banabi intimanu. Wajamo dia kwakoma Anchi. Imana Anchi the goal scorer. Jamo dia kwakoma Amidu Andrews Intimanu Watiashe a free kick Kodiama and Andrews Intimanu Woman intention about their comma Patrick Asiedu Patrick Akontubon where German back to Patrick Atonobosi where German Deuda Saka where Piam their comma Andrews Intimanu where German their comma Anchi about shot now should I be Emmanuel Anchi. Another shot outside the 18-yard box. Emmanuel Enchi outside the 18-yard box. And the boss has shot on us. Now on go post in champion.
Justice Kole, Emmanuel Entry a yenim no. Yenim said on power ni. Oman the opportunity say on more power na. Obebo and shorter oboy and elaki accuracy. Nanka ye can't assemble for Enka Onyan a second goal. Sebani say Vision FC Mrantian Ebiumana. Obebo. Way and I ye nimino a free Great Olympics or the Bakumasa Asante Kotoko. If I say Nana Kwajima Peso Yebidia in Finfinium so far, no, I don't have a problem. Ediama Vision FC on closely abra second half. Eba on any Mrantian and Casasen Ebe on close in Finfinio Nabua Vision FC.
Akasima emienu na 4 minutes ya de toso no na nyina so free kick eko diama Vision Football Club. Vision enyane first Premier League win ewo agopa maiso week 5-6 October Kotoko mantene krabono wejabon Patrick bone tentene bona chena so da bi opiani etia box num Vision FC mantene wejabon akwa koma Emmanuel na so bona tralai throw in here to the Vision Football Club on 6 October 2024 week 5 our ne Aje Krakuda second sports complex Vision FC enyomo first Premier League home win Ebra omoche Basake Holy Stars omonso a new promoter side eshomo kabako omo intimate Daniel Yemo and a 43rd minute what was Satan Etima Vision Football Club the first player our tuatana our akopama sedema Vision aya panche Emmanuel Cheiba for Ebra omotunafi with 3 any Lekon City about 1-1 Bono Crab Vision 48 minutes live coverage goalkeeper Godwin Opiamba on the Bona Koben Kunsona so dabi abedi goalkeeper Tibone Tenten Bona Kwakoti Emmanuel Opiamba on the Bona Komfife Mishak Sani Bona Kwachiri Vision FC Mantene Crabon Bona Kwadi center circle Emmanuel Atafren Pon Bona Boy Timanko Justice Bela Control Bono Champion Bona Bona Kwachiri Akwakama Lord Amoa Lord Abone Tenten na shodabi Friki Keko Ediama Vision Football Club 4 minutes at the Toson Aso Enchebia Center Referee Afonso Atiapa Washana Badia Fairy Kari na Timabana Wiye Award ni Aje Krakuda second sports complex Kumasi Asante Kotoko versus Vision Football Club 2024-2025 Ghana Premier League V34 the last dance match Chatokra our Premier League num Abrantia Nite Ane Emmanuel Anchi and I make it a difference at Yama Kumasi Asante Kotoko ono na po modern wabo the only goal Yama Kotoko our F1 Edikan F1 Edikan in Itima Banavi our Gopa Maiso Vision FC create a lot of chances now so that be dear Hiano Omuntimi Fabo and Twatra Namum Emmanuel Anchi in the 25th game this season was a second goal at Yama Fabulous F1 Edikan in Itima Banavi our near J Krakuda second sports complex Vision FC and Timansebi Kumasi Asante Kotoko 1 Medini calling Sajay from me justice call yeah corporate nafe Najin and a crop yanafe miles to add the akoso our ferry kind night member second half on the banner fame yeah the live coverage you know and so Eddie Abramo Eddie free ni Aje Krakuda second sports complex.
Say Asante Kotoko is leading by a goal to 0, courtesy a goal from Emmanuel Anchi. I can tell you, we've witnessed one of the excellent football in the Ghana Premier League. A ding-dong battle from Vision FC and Kumasi Krobia Asante Kotoko. As I told you, I'm doing this with my...
Got the best life.
A former footballer. You don't know my story. I'll be telling you a bit history about him. The Krobia Asante. Guys, once again, 45 minutes, Asante Kotoko. Maestro leading by a goal to 0.
Wow. Naji said we've witnessed a very beautiful game. And Mamisha is here from the start of the whistle from the referee. Yehu Vision FC, they were playing with determination. They were playing with focus. Yesha game now we could see the chances are Vision FC Enyaye. First one ever in favor of T. Next week means it's all about Vision. The moment final third man nipa o de bo na beto atena no na aka na Kumasi Asante Kotoko ensheda enra game nim betime aka say 45 minutes ayabo nyina Kotoko eba game nim with just 7 minutes na 7 minutes now eba no that is where the problem is now Vision FC set up in the first half the first half now Vision ko enima omuja defenders no eji midfielders ni ko kan attackers ni enti eba sa na gababa between the defenders and the midfielders.
That is when they are transiting.
That is it.
Okay.
But born is saying, justice play nya born. Fesenia opeja born. Opeja the who Vision players in the air band so time na obetima power and power and deflection like a football. That is where they had their first goal. From there you Vision scoring a goal and kept their Emma Utimino. Now Karim Z20 and Mantiana say they are waiting say Vision bebo the ball bebo no scoring is theirs and we know about Mabenya first goal. So far not so good for Karim Zito and Kumasi Asante Kotoko.
Okay, Krobia, I said a Maestro D kind, and that is what we saw in the game. When you look at Vision FC, almost transition perfectly, but them Yana gap, I stabilized Ekakra. Now, in the first time around, under a different coach, system not change here. I can see say Vision FC are into the party. What is wrong with Vision FC? Because they are making all the incursions, but they go
playing against Accra, in fact, they dominated. Vision FC had the better chances against Accra Hasselhoff. They created many, they dominate play, they had more possession comparatively to Accra Hasselhoff. But at the end of the day, it was Hasselhoff of the point and they took it away. Similarly, happened in the first 45 minutes of action. They started swiftly, they created a lot of chances, they had their share of chances, but in fact, they've not been that decisive and a bit clinical up front. And goalkeeper for Krobia Asante Kotoko, Mohamed Kamara, he's been one of the best goalkeepers in this particular season for Krobia Asante Kotoko. And in the first 45 minutes, he's amongst the top performers in the first 45 minutes. He has saved Krobia Asante Kotoko. Kotoko being resilient at the back, making sure they find loopholes and spaces behind Vision FC's defense through Albert Amwa from Emmanuel Ng. I think that better opportunity for him to try his luck, and in fact, he finally find the back of the net, giving Kotoko the needed point in the game so far as Association of Football is concerned.
We are all talking about how possessive that Vision FC have been by Krobia Asante Kotoko. That was Albert Amwa, then Peter Amidu. Because I saw Albert Amwa being the arrowhead, but all of a sudden I saw Albert Amwa still operating from the wings, and Peter Amidu also being the arrowhead of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. I think say now I'm vision for defenders. No, at the end of the day, they don't know who to mark.
Nyanaji, from
Lami. Okay.
Game ne chance na obo ablo. Any Samba O'Neil as 4 and 5.
Okay.
That time not answer ball number 6 row.
Okay. As the liberal. Okay.
That time no pressure. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Yeah, was a sign we ablo and after answer ne Samba O'Neil 4 and 5. Just 6 play. Ball 6 no. Now mami ko be ana o kano.
Yeah.
Albert Amwa, Peter Amidu Akwa.
Very good.
And coach Nika you beat Romo. Say munya ball na. Yes san e bom and on the chimo moni so. Na Emmanuel Sanja and Nipa Obemaki.
That is what I saw, because anytime there was a gap, it was a place. So
sure. And I can go now. I stand like 2 no edge offside now. The same play from Saka Dauda, finding space, then pushing to Albert Amwa, and now referee said offside. Very good decision from the referee. Vision FC
Lions, their captain, Ali. Yeah.
Sure. All of a sudden, and Honmana Edigo. So I think say Emmanuel Kwekwajiman and Rantian and Kasa interpositional play association football.
It is Kumasi Asante Kotoko who are playing against Vision FC in the first department. Kotoko, they are still leading by a goal to 0. We are trying to look at innovation in tactics. But let's see the second department of the game. What is going to happen? Krobia, Yamra Vision FC. Now, if Kwame Poku in the second half, what do you think that coach Nana Kwakwajiman should do?
I think that they would have to stay cool, stay calm, and read it in terms of status, in terms of individual quality within the ranks. Kotoko sits apart them, and they would have to respect that. This is football. There's no room to be given, know how to go about it by way of beating. They should leave possession who are pacey enough. They've got that skill set. The likes of Daniel Yamo, Emmanuel Saja, they've got the skills. And I think that leaving the possession to Kotoko, they would find some spaces and punish Kotoko. But now making sure they find spaces behind them, they hit them on the counter break, and that has been the masterpiece for Kotoko so far.
Okay, Macho, the second half, Coach Karim Zito, how can he manage the game? So how can Coach Karim Zito also manage this game?
Naji, you say the best way to defend is to attack. And in the first half, you Vision FC playing more of the ball. And in the second half, we expect it different from Kumasi Asante Kotoko, because in the first half, we go ni free man. Kotoko, na you go baby. Karim Zito players so to me the ball no. Now when you just 3 players in the midfield no, we know that these 2 players no, about in lateral, they do go forward more. But today, on tactics no, I think the first half tactics now no bono and Pebano changes for or Basi or bench or Kwame Poku or bench. I think that these 2 players no Mubema, they can make the difference for Kumasi Asante Kotoko.
Kobia, let me push you to the word. The second half, are we going to see any more goals?
Yeah, I'm expecting another goal from Krobia Asante Kotoko because they've got the quality and they've got the numbers, and I think that in the second 45 minutes, the bench, Kotoko still have the quality. Visionaries, maybe after having some pep talk with their technical team, they would also come strongly and maybe find some goals, 3 points here, and I'll go in for Krobia Asante Kotoko getting another goal in the second half.
Okay, so the second department of the game is about to kickstart here at the new Okrekwa J Sports Complex. Vision FC against Kumasi Krobia Asante Kotoko is 1-0. Maestro, the second department.
Yeah, I'm seeing something different from what Krobia said, because this is where Vision have a pile pressure on Kumasi Asante Kotoko. They can't afford to lose their second game at home, but I'm seeing more goals in the second half.
Okay, Justice Kole, if you are ready, you can take over for the second department of the game. Live on Metro TV, live on Original TV.
Vision FC and Timante. Vision FC, so Vision FC, so bet me at your Mokana for at least. Omo Nyawin crown bet me and